In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta AI Video Generator. This incredible tool allows you to create animated videos quickly and easily, whether you're animating text prompts or existing images. Let's dive right into it. First things first, to access this fantastic tool, you'll need to navigate to makeavideo.studio via your web browser, or you can open the Meta AI app if you already have it installed on your device. This foundational step gets you set up and ready to unleash your creativity without any technical hassles. Once you have the tool open, it's time to input your prompt. You can start by typing in a descriptive text prompt. In other words, write out exactly what you'd like to see in your animated video. For instance, you might choose a fun and imaginative scenario, like a dog wearing a superhero cape flying through the sky. This prompt is then used by the AI to generate a video that matches your description. If you prefer, you can also upload a static image that you'd like the software to animate. This flexibility makes it easy to start from scratch or build upon existing visuals. Next, you'll want to move on to customizing your video. Meta AI offers a variety of styles, so you can pick one that suits your vision, whether you're aiming for a surreal look, something more realistic, or perhaps a stylized effect. You can adjust the aesthetic to fit your project's mood. Additionally, you may have the option to tweak various settings, such as the aspect ratio of your video and the animation speed. These customizations give you control over how your final video will look and feel, allowing personalization and professional level adjustments without needing comprehensive video editing skills. As you make these choices, don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your particular project. The ease of use that comes with the Meta AI Video Generator means that revisions are simple, and it's easy to make changes on the fly. Finally, once you're satisfied with your choices, the AI processes your input to produce a video that can now be used for fun, presentations, or even marketing materials, helping you stand out with creative flair. So whether you're an influencer looking to spruce up your social media content, a marketer needing an engaging video, or just someone who loves experimenting with new technology, this tool provides a simple and effective way to bring your ideas to life. And that's it. You are now equipped with everything you need to start using the Meta AI Video Generator. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and are ready to create amazing videos. Happy animating!